Sandra, and I just remembered that I didn't do a giveaway for March. So you only have a couple weeks, but I'm going to do the giveaway today. So the thing with my giveaway is that you have to have your enter me in my comments sometime before the 28th of March before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all you have to do is put enter me in the comments. Once I pick a winner, which will be either that night, Friday night, or Saturday morning, the winner is to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com, and then I will send their winnings to them. So let's get started on what I'm going to give away. All right, so the first thing I'm going to give away is this Maniology Lotus mat. And I honestly can't remember where this came. I don't know if this came from one of the special boxes, like the Halloween one. I'm not sure. So there's the Lotus mat, and it's a small one. It's not a big one. It's, what size is, I don't have a ruler or anything, but it's a small one. It's one of their small ones. Oh, maybe it says it on here. Let's see. Right here. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't give a size, but you can see this is my, let me back off of here. This is my regular mat, and this is the little Lotus mat from Maniology. So I'm giving this away. It's never been used. I didn't fold that right. All right, well, I'll take care of that. All right, and then I'm giving 2 St. Patrick Day plates, Maniology plates. And this one is M286, and obviously you're not going to get it before St. Patrick's Day, but you will have it for next time. So I think this is a really cute plate. It's got lots of shamrocks and there's a leprechaun. Is there a leprechaun? Oh, leprechaun animals down here, and just a lot of different shamrocks you can use, and just a whole lot of things, a whole lot of St. Patrick's Day stuff. So there's that one, M286, and then the other one I'm going to give away, which is St. Patrick's Day, is M355, and I really like this one because it has these French nail tips on here. And you got some of the shamrocks and a whole bunch of cool stuff. Here's a rainbow and some beer and another shamrock and a dove. So a whole bunch of stuff that you can be creative with. So those are the 2 plates that I'm going to give away. And this is the mat, the Lotus mat that I'm going to give away. I'll take it out again because I messed it up putting it on there anyway. So those are what the winnings are for this month, for March. And good luck to everyone. And don't forget that if you do buy anything from Maniology, to please use my 10% discount, which is NS10. And that gives me a small commission, and it gives you 10% off. So thank you so much, and good luck to everyone.